Today we will disable the h-encore trophy warning, which looks like this and appears whenever you launch h-encore. Open VitaShell. Navigate to UX0, user 00 save data. Go down to PCSG 90096, then press triangle and select Open Decrypted. If you see a folder called SCEPFS, you did not open it correctly. Return to the prior folder and try again. Highlight system.dat, then press triangle and select Copy. Return to the save data folder, then press triangle and select Paste. Select the PCSG 90096 folder, then press triangle and select Delete. Press X to confirm. Launch h-encore. When this menu appears, close the app and return to VitaShell. Highlight the system.dat file, then press triangle and select Copy. Select the PCSG 90096 folder, then press triangle and select Open Decrypted. Again, make sure that you don't have the SCEPFS folder. Press triangle and select Paste. Return to the save data folder and highlight system.dat, then press triangle and select Delete. Press X to confirm. You should no longer see the trophy warning. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and apply your newfound knowledge.